In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable taxes globally in Shopify or make individual products tax-exempt. By the end, you'll know exactly which method to use and how to set it up confidently inside your admin. Let's start with the global approach. This is best if you don't want Shopify to calculate taxes for your store at all. From your Shopify admin, open Settings, then select Taxes and Duties. In the Countries or Regions section, click the country where you want to turn off tax collection. Scroll down until you see Tax Overrides and click Add Override. Here, set the collection, location, and rate to 0%, then save your changes. This tells Shopify to apply a 0% rate instead of calculating any tax at checkout. If you sell in more than one region, repeat the same override for each location where you don't want taxes collected. After saving, test your checkout with a sample product to confirm that the tax line shows 0. Now, if only certain products are non-taxable, like exempt categories or special items, use the product level method. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and click the product you want to edit. In the Pricing section, you'll see an option labeled Charge Taxes on this product. Simply uncheck that box and click Save. That product will no longer have tax added at checkout. Keep in mind you'll need to repeat this for each product that qualifies as tax-exempt. It's a clean way to stay compliant when most items are taxable, but a few are not. Choosing the right method comes down to your business and local regulations. Global overrides are simple and consistent, but they apply to everything in that region. Product-level settings give you precision and are better when exemptions apply only to certain items. Whichever route you take, always verify with a quick checkout test to make sure your settings behave as expected, and consult a tax professional if you're unsure about your obligations. If you ever need to reverse these changes, it's just as straightforward. For the global method, remove or update the override in taxes and duties. For product-level changes, return to the product's pricing section and recheck the charge taxes box. Then save. That's it. With these two methods, you can control how Shopify handles taxes across your store or on specific products, keeping your checkout accurate and your customers informed.